Hello everybody, I want to introduce you to an app called Reverso. Reverso is pretty cool. It is an app available on the Android and iPhone Play Store. And what it allows you to do is allows you to create like a running library of different words. So for example, Tomar. I can search that word. It gives me the word in a sentence, and it also gives me a definition of the word, and I'm able to star the word or certain definitions that I think I would use. And once I star that definition, I'm then able to add it to a library of words. So if I go back, that word is now added to my phrase book. So I can filter and add words to my phrase book. Once those words are in my phrase book, I can then practice by taking a quiz where those words are added to a quiz. So, and they keep getting added, and they filter the words through a quiz, which is great, and it keeps building on your knowledge and allowing you to understand if it's working or not. The next thing it also has this learn feature where it asks me to speak a word and see if it's correct. It also has the practice of speaking. So of course, but the practice and learn feature both allow you to record audio and see if it's working well. So it also allows you to adjust your learn strategy here, where you can download offline flashcards. You also can activate pronunciation. And your learn strategy can be based on your phrasebook, your history, or mixed. So I like to keep it on mixed because then I'm able to decide what I want to learn. And I can also do recent, mixed, or earlier. I'm going to do mixed to that. And also I can do a balanced set of words. Okay. And so you're also able here, when you do a search, just note, like if you're not studying that particular language, if I wanted to do Japanese and I wanted to switch English and Japanese, I could do that right here at the top. So I'm going to switch back to Spanish and back to English. And that way, as I'm searching words when I'm doing my lessons, I can switch it over, or I can use the camera or the microphone feature. And just along the side here, you have a new search history, phrasebook, learn, which allows you to play the games. You can do a text in a photo that has a word. You can also do, get back into the app. You can also do, tell a friend that just asks you to share the app. The Reverso translation, so it's just like a Google translation. And then also the conjugation tool, which is pretty good. It just works a little slow sometimes. The conjugation tool is also very handy when you're actually in the phrase book. You can choose to look at the conjugation. And of course, the settings is where, right now it can't be reached, but the settings will allow you to change a lot of these features. But I find it to be very helpful because that phrase book continues to build upon itself. You can edit it. You can hear the word. But Reverso, pretty good. I am paying for the pro version, but the free version works just as well and also allows you to do a lot of these features. So thanks for checking out the video, and hopefully you get a chance to try it out.